Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to use aligner.com, which is a growing platform where freelancers and professionals can join projects that are powered by AI and human insight. Aligner actually connects people with flexible work opportunities from language assessments to product testing, and it also lets you work remotely with global clients. So whether you are looking for a part-time role, freelance research gigs, or a flexible way to contribute your expertise, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process, like from signing up to onboarding and getting paid. We will also do a quick review at the end so that you know what to expect before applying for it. So if you are ready to become an aligner and want to learn, make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, before proceeding, make sure that you just check out the link that are given in the description box below. These are the links of all the resources that are mentioned here. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you will have to open your web browser and search for aligner.com. Now, once you are on this page, you will see this prompt in big letters that you can earn money by sharing your expertise. Over here, the PhDs and professionals can get paid up to $150 per hour to train the groundbreaking AI models. Here you can just scroll down and take a look at what other things they are actually exploring. Plus, you can also click on this how it works option so that you could know their onboarding options. Now here, in order to apply for it, simply click on the apply now option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will see the sign in option, so you will have to provide your Google account. So you need to just log in into your account and make sure that you have your Google account ready. Once this step is done, you will see this type of interface in front of you. So this is the first step of this 4-step verification. Over here you need to provide the PDF or the document of your resume. In the next step, you need to verify your phone number. Afterwards, you need to review your profile that will include all of the details that you have added in your resume. Afterwards, you need to just verify your identity. So I would recommend you to make sure that you do all of these things one by one. So this would be the first step, that is the application process. After that, we would have the identity verification process. So after setting up your profile, the second step would be to verify your identity. So after confirming your phone number using a text message, you will be redirected to Persona, which is a third-party platform, to verify your official ID. You can upload a saved document or you can take a live photo of your ID, and this step actually ensures that you all aligners are real and verified, building a trustworthy community. In the third step, you can meet Zara, which is powered by AI. So this is Meet Zara. This is a unique AI powered interviewer, and her name is Zara. So Zara is actually going to guide you through a short 15-minute interview to understand your skills and passions. You can pick your preferred language here. You can choose a time that suits you the best. The chat feeds conversational, and this would be not robotic. There is where you get to showcase your personality and experience and goals, not just what's on your resume. It is a chance to actually stand out and help aligner watch you with the right projects. So the tip that I would like to give you here is that just be honest. Even if you are talking to an AI, you need to be honest, because AI is more likely to understand your body structure and your behavior. So don't rush. The better Zara understands you, the better your project matches will be. Now the fourth step will be the additional assessments. So some of the applicants will be invited to complete the extra assessments. So these will be based on your language fluency, your subject specific knowledge, regional expertise, or anything. So if you are multilingual, you may get short interviews or tests in different languages, because Aligner works with many international clients. So multilingual skills are actually high in demand. So these assessments help aligner know exactly what kind of projects you are qualified for. Next, the final option would be the contract and the billing setup. So once your application get approved by aligner, you will get a welcome email, and then you need to sign in with the help of your contact inside the aligner app. You can choose the payment method like Stripe, Connect, or PayPal, and then you need to fill out your billing details. So depending on your region, some of the fields may repeat what you already entered, but it's part of the legal setup for getting paid. So aligner pays freelancers based on the project and your role. Payments are handled securely through the trusted gateways. Now the final step would be onboarding. So as you can see, this is aligner's onboarding. So here these includes providing you the tools, the full project on how you can basically work on this, access disclosure of to the aligner community. So you are going to get access to all of the perks and benefits once you are in the aligner onboarding. So overall, the platform is looking quite modern and easy to use, and it is actually designed for professionals like you who want to work flexibly while contributing the real insights. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also leave a comment below, why would you try aligner? Already using it? Let's talk about it. So thanks for watching this video. Bye.